Here we are discussing question number 11 of exercise 8.1 from the chapter of trigonometry. The topic is trigonometric ratio. Question has been taken from NCERT book of standard 10. Question is very interesting, very simple. Here question is, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. There are 5 parts of the question here. The value of tan A is always less than 1. secA is 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Third, cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. Fourth, cot A is the product of cot and A. And fifth, sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. Okay, so we have to check whether these statements are true or false, and in the support of our answer we have to justify it. We have to give the justification also, correct, whether it is right or wrong. So let us see here all the statements one by one. First is, the value of tan A is always less than 1. This is false. Why? Because we know tan of any angle A is equal to perpendicular by base. So length of perpendicular can be as much as VBs. जितना भी बड़ा हो सकता है P का वैल्यू होगा. P may be greater than B also. P may be greater than B also, and if P is greater than B, then P by B is greater than 1, then P by B is greater than 1. If P is greater than B, then P by B is greater than 1. It means tan A is greater than 1, that is tan A is greater than 1. So we cannot say the value of tan A is always less than 1. And suppose we take tan of 60 degree, you know this is equal to root 3 and this is also greater than 1. So this statement is false. Now let us see second statement. Sec A is 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. We know sec A is defined as, this is reciprocal of cos. Cos is B by H. So this is H by B. And here given that this is 12 by 5. So there is no problem, because hypotenuse is always longest side in any right angle triangle. So in place of H, this is 12, which is greater than 5. So it may happen. This is possible. Therefore, second is true. This is the reason. This is possible. So second is true. And third statement, cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. This is false. Cos A is the abbreviation of cosine A, as cos A is the abbreviation of cosine A. Okay, so this is false. Abbreviation of cosecant is cosec, not cos. Cos is abbreviation of cosine A. So this is false. And fourth statement, cot A is the product of cot and A. This is 100% false. This is not product. This is cot of A is cot of angle A. Cot of angle A. This is not product of cot and A. So this is false. And last, fifth statement, Sin theta is 4 by 3. Here sin theta is 4 by 3. But we know that sin theta is P by H. So if we compare this two relation, we are getting P by H is equal to 4 by 3. But H is always greater than P. But H is always greater or maybe equal to in case of this is line, but generally we take always greater than P. But what we are finding here, H is 3 and P is 4. Here H is less than P. Here what we are finding, H is less than P. This is not possible. Therefore, answer of fifth is false. Very clear? Hope you have understood it. Okay, these are very simple concept, so everybody should know it. Okay, so students, hope you have understood it, and if you are enjoying these videos, your likes are most welcome, and please share these videos with your friends also. Wish you all the best.